Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecelia O, and my YouTube channel is Cecelia O's World. On this YouTube channel, for people that are new, I discuss a lot about how to make healthy meal, how to make healthy drink, how to do home decoration and budget, how to do different DIY beauty hack. I talk a lot about different life hack, and my YouTube channel is very educative for people that want to lose weight. You want to keep good care, you want to take good care of your family, you want to look young, you want to look beautiful. My YouTube channel is the way to go. And for today's video, I'll actually be talking about how we can make avocado milk. Yay! We're making avocado milk. And to make this avocado milk, you can use any milk of your choice. But today I'll be using 2% milk. That is what I have in here, 2% milk. And I'll be using 2 medium-sized avocados. The quantity of what you want to make depends on the quantity and the number of people that you're making the meal or diet for. So this milk should be able to go around, we should be able to have 4 cups. So it should be able to serve 4 people. So what I'm making again today, I'm making avocado milk. And I'm so excited about this because I'm trying this, is new to me also. So I have my avocado washed and cut, and I have my milk ready. You can actually substitute this with soy milk, any milk of your choice. This is the best milk ever for people that want to lose weight, for people that want to stay healthy. You want to look healthy, you want to look young, you want to detoxify your system. And this is safe for all ages. You can give it to your children from age 2 and above. You can give it to older people, younger people. It's good. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for staying tuned. Let's dive in. I love you all. Don't forget to share this video, like it, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Let's dive in. So I have the 2 medium avocados in this blender already. 2 medium avocado. And keep in mind the quantity of avocado milk you're making depends on the number of people that will be taking this. So I'll add my 2% milk, and like I said, you can substitute this milk with any milk of your choice. Soya milk, almond milk, coconut milk, it's all good. So, but I am using 2% milk. So I'll just add this into my blender. I won't add everything at once because I want the avocado to blend very well. So I'll just add little at first. I'm still making the avocado milk. You can see this. Still making the avocado milk. So I'll go ahead and add the remaining milk. And the reason why I didn't add it at once is because I want a very uniform mixture. I want the avocado to blend very well. So I'm going to add this again. Still making the avocado milk. So I'll go ahead and add the remaining milk, and these will be ready. Yay! And the reason why I added the milk in batches is just to have a well mixed and blended avocado. Oh my God, this is ready. The avocado milk is ready. And if you really want to enjoy this, I would dare you to try it. Add some ice into your cup and just have this avocado milk. See, the avocado milk is ready. This is so yummy. This is natural, loaded with a lot of nutrients, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory nutrients, good cholesterol that our body needs, nutrients, vitamins, and these can be shared by all adult children. And here is ready. 100% avocado milk is ready. And like I said, you can enjoy this. Oh my God. We have goodness in this cup. Please like this video, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here is the 100% avocado milk, and I use 2 ingredients to make this delicious and healthy milk. Avocado, 2 medium avocados, and 2% milk. And like I said, you can substitute the milk with any milk of your choice. You can use almond milk, oat milk, 2% milk. You can use coconut milk, soy milk. But I use 2%, and the almond and the avocado milk is ready. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.